So yes, we'll move on to the class. In the last class, we have studied about living things, isn't it? Living things move, living things grow, living things reproduce. Yes, it has got feelings, then it breathes, isn't it? And also it need food. In the previous class, we had studied about living things move, living things grow. Yes, hope you are understood, I think. And I had given a small experiment to do, isn't it? Have you all done? Or you are observing it? ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಫ್ಯೂ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಕಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಾಯಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಡೈಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ನೀವು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ಲೇಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೋ. ಯಾವುದು ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದು, ಆಯಿತಾ? ನಾವು let us move on to the next topic. Living things reproduce. Living things reproduce. Can you see here? What do you see here? Living things reproduce. What do you see here? Living things reproduce. Reproduce, it's a new word for you. Reproduce ಅನ್ನೋದು ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್. ಅಂದರೆ reproduce ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಶಬ್ದ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಡ್ reproduce ಅನ್ನೋದು. reproduce means giving birth to young ones. ನಾವು ಬರ್ತ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಯಂಗ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬರ್ತ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? reproduce ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್? reproduce means giving birth to young ones. Can you observe here? Giving birth to young ones is nothing but reproduce. Repeat, children. Giving birth to young ones is called reproduce. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಪದ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? reproduce ಅನ್ನೋದು. Living things are capable of producing babies of their own kind by a process called reproduction. Okay, for example, human beings and animals like cats and dogs give birth to young babies. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ನಾವು ಬೇಬಿಗೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಜನ್ಮವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಜನ್ಮವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಮತ್ತು ನಾಯಿ ಸಹ ಜನ್ಮವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಗುಗೆ ಜನ್ಮ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ reproduce ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ? ಅ ಮದರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಟು ಬೇಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಗುವಿನ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಪಪ್ಪೀಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಕಿಟನ್ಸ್, dog with the puppies. Got it? Cat with kittens, dog with puppies, and mother with a child. You can see, isn't it? ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? giving birth to young ones. And not only like this, children, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ನಾವು ವಿ ಗಿವ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಟು ದಿ ಯಂಗ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಜನ್ಮವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. But few are there, few birds and animals are there, they lay eggs. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ಇಡ್ತವೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಎಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕೋಳಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಶಾಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕೋಳಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ hen lays eggs and it hatches and give birth to chicks. Can you see here? Can you see the image of hen with the chicks hatching the egg? Can you see the image? Can you see the image? Yes. These are the different modes of reproducing. They produce young ones by laying things mostly resembles their parents. Now, let us see here. Plants produce seed and that later develop into new plants. Can you see here? Let us watch a small video of the plant, how it grows from the baby seed. Can you see here, children? Small video. Just we are putting a seed and it grows into a tree. Small video. Yes. Have you observed? Isn't it? It was nice. You enjoyed, I think. Yes. So living things grow. Living things grow. I said a toy or a computer or a switch or a bulb, it won't grow. Non-living things never grow. It doesn't have life. Living things have life. So it moves from one place to another. It grows. It needs food. Got it, children? Yes. Now, let us move on to the next one. Living things need food. Living things need food. Can you see the topic here? Living things need food. Can you see here? Living things need food. Yes. When do you feel want food? Yes. When you're really hungry. Yes. Sandhya ma'am will be taking class. You will be feeling hungry. Already 12:30 bell has gone. Ayo ma'am ಊಟದ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Ayo ma'am ಊಟದ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸಿವು ಅಂತಾರೆ. Yes. Why? Because your tummy is asking food. You feel giddy, ಸುಸ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಊಟ ಬೇಕು. That is called hungry. So that time we eat food. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬ ಹಸಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಊಟವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So living things need food. You look for food to eat as it provides us growth and energy to support our life. It is considered to be a very essential for all the living things. Animals obtain their food from plants or other animals to live. So, here, when we eat food, we get energy to walk, run, move from one place to another. So, we need to eat food, isn't it? We need to eat food to get the strength. We need to eat food to get the strength. And there are two sources of food. One is from the plant and one is from the animal. So we get the two sources of food is one is from the plant and other from the animals. The two sources of food we get is one is from plant and one is from the animal. You can see the source of food. You can see the source of food. Yes. Now, animals obtain their food from plants or other animals to live. Most plants are capable of making their own food in presence of sunlight, air and water. Therefore, they are called primary source of food. You know that primary source of food is nothing but a plant. It prepares the food by itself. Do you know? Yes, the presence of air, water and sunlight. It's a primary source. So plants prepare their food by itself. Okay, plant prepare their food by itself in the presence of air, water and sunlight. You can see the image. You can see the image. Plants prepare their food on its own. Can you see? In the presence of air, water and sunlight. Did you see, children? Yes. Did you see the image? Yes. So, hope you have understood about the, what is that? Tell me now, what did you understand? Living things reproduce, living things need food. So, you saw that plants prepare their food on its own. Likewise, we depend upon each other. We living beings, human beings depend upon each other. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಸಸ್ಯಾಹಾರಿನೂ ಹೌದು, ಮಾಂಸಾಹಾರಿನೂ ಹೌದು. ನಾವು ವಿ ಈಟ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೀಟ್, ಎಗ್, ಫಿಶ್ ನಾವು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಅನಿಮಲಲ್ಲೂ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಈಟ್ vegetarian animals and non-vegetarian animals are also there, like sheep, goat, deer and all eat. Only they depends upon the primary source, only they depends upon plants. ಗಿಡ ಹಸಿರು ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಫ್ಯೂ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಂಸಾಹಾರಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಚೀತಾ, ಟೈಗರ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಂಸಾಹಾರಿಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಗ್ರಿ ಅದು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ರೀಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇನ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ರೀಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂದು ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಡು. ನಾವು ಜನ್ಮ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ರೀಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Giving birth to young ones is nothing but reproduction or reproduce. Okay, and living things need food. Hope you all understood, I think, children.